Hey everyone, welcome back to Walid Academy. Today, we're delving into the mysterious and often misunderstood world of the dark web. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and the types of cybercrime that occur there. Let's get started. The dark web is a part of the internet that's not indexed by traditional search engines like Google. It's often associated with illegal activities and cybercrime, but it's also a place for privacy and anonymity. Let's break it down. The internet is divided into three layers. 1. The surface web is what we use every day. Websites that are accessible through search engines. 2. The deep web includes private databases and internal networks that aren't indexed. 3. The dark web, however, is intentionally hidden and requires specific software to access. To access the dark web, you need special software like Tor, the onion router. Tor anonymizes your internet activity by routing your connection through multiple servers around the world. This makes it difficult to trace your actions back to you. The dark web is a hotbed for various illegal activities. Some of the most common include 1. Drug trafficking. Online marketplaces where illegal drugs are bought and sold. 2. Illegal firearms sales. Access to unregistered and illegal weapons. 3. Stolen data marketplaces. Personal data, credit card information, and login credentials are often sold. 4. Hacking services. Cybercriminals offering services to hack into systems or spread malware. 5. Human trafficking. Exploiting individuals for illegal activities. 6. Counterfeit currency and documents. Selling fake IDs, passports, and money. While the dark web can be a dangerous place, it's important to remember that not everything on the dark web is illegal. There are legitimate uses for it, such as accessing information in countries with strict censorship. However, if you ever decide to explore it, here are some tips to stay safe and legal. 1. Avoid illegal activities. Stay away from anything that seems illegal. Just because something is available doesn't mean it's legal or safe. 2. Use strong security measures. If you use Tor, ensure your system is secure with updated antivirus and firewall protection. 3. Be anonymous. Use strong anonymous usernames and avoid sharing personal information. 4. Stay informed. Keep up with cybersecurity news and best practices to protect yourself from potential threats. That's it for today's video on the dark web and cybercrime. Always remember to use the internet responsibly and stay informed about the risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Walid Academy, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.